The CERAKOTE Ceramic Trim Coat Kit offers a promising solution for restoring faded plastic trim on vehicles. This ceramic-based coating claims to provide long-lasting UV protection and color restoration, and my testing largely supports these claims. Application is straightforward but requires careful preparation. The kit includes cleaning wipes, the ceramic coating, and applicators. The two-step process begins with thorough cleaning of the trim surfaces, followed by the ceramic coating application. The product flows smoothly and provides good coverage, though working in small sections is crucial to avoid uneven application. Results are immediately noticeable. Faded trim returns to a deep black finish with a subtle sheen that looks factory fresh. The ceramic coating creates a durable barrier that repels water effectively and resists typical car wash chemicals. After several months of testing, the coating has maintained its appearance without significant degradation. While the price point is higher than traditional trim restorers, the longevity justifies the investment. One kit can treat multiple vehicles, making it cost-effective for enthusiasts or families with multiple cars. Pros: long-lasting results, professional-looking finish, strong UV protection, water-repellent properties. Cons: higher initial cost, requires careful application, limited working time once applied.